Welcome to Pinoy Scoop for today's news. Despite all her achievements, award-winning actress Angel Locsin still has one thing left that she wants to do before finally settling down and getting married. In an interview on Tapatan Tonying aired Thursday, the 28-year-old actress shared that she would like to be given the chance to finish college before finally tying the knot. Bago siguro ako mag-settle down, gusto ko sana makapagtapos, she said. As if she has a course in mind, she mentioned criminology. Before adding in jest, kaya lang sabi kasi ng tatay ko magpakamatay na lang daw ako. Mahilig kasi ako sa history, so simula doon, tingnan natin kung may makukuha ako magandang course, she added. The actress, who recently got back together with TV host Luis Manzano, revealed that as a young girl, she dreamed of getting married at the age of 22. Ngayon 28 na ako, medyo wala pa rin sa isip ko ang pagpapakasal. Pag dumating, di dumating. Pag hindi, di baka hindi pa talaga panahon, she said. Meanwhile, Locsin also admitted that being single became a disadvantage for her when she was cast in the primetime drama series The Legal Wife with Jericho Rosales and Maha Salvador. Wala pa naman kasi akong asawa, so hindi ko pa na-experience yung ganung mga pinagdadaanan. So, kumakausap ako ng mga babaeng may asawa na pinagdadaanan yung same kwento na nagkakaroon nga affair yung asawa nila para maintindihan ko, she said. Locsin, however, said she enjoys playing roles in which a lot of viewers can relate to. Sobrang gusto ko pag nakakagawa ko ng panibagong character na nakaka-relate ng ibang tao at somehow nakakatulong na rin sa pinagdadaanan nila, she said. Malaking fulfillment yun para sa akin. Tapatang Tonying airs every Thursday on Kapamilya Gold, while The Legal Wife airs weekdays after Got to Believe. For more news, visit and subscribe to our YouTube channel at www.youtube.com/PinoyScoop.